Hi you guys, Texas Wig Fairy. The reason that we're going to share some fabulous information today about some different options for cooler hair. Wigs are fabulous, really quick and capless and very great as far as ventilation. But I had over 15 DMs this week on possibly different accessories for maybe poolside and maybe just different options to have fun with. So again, this is Texas Wig Fairy. Make sure that you follow us on Instagram, Texas Wig Fairy at René Paris. Please take the time, to go to our YouTube channel. We have several, and I mean very awesome tutorials that I and my wonderful friend Alexander have done. And again, those are at René Paris YouTube channel. Make sure you subscribe, hit the notification button so you'll know what's going on with the entire team. We have lots of amazing things coming up. We have great guests coming up. I just can't tell you. I'm super excited about everything that we have going on. So I am going to start off telling you about some of our wonderful enhancements, and this is our fabulous catalog. I encourage you to go to the René Paris website so that you can see all the enhancements that we have, because today I only have time to maybe share 3 with you. But again, we have a beautiful website, and I do encourage you to go to that so that you can see everything that we have available at René Paris, all the beautiful colors, all the beautiful styles, because just as beautiful as our wigs are, there's several beautiful hair enhancements. And I wish I could, well, I will eventually, but I wish I could go over all that with you today, but I just don't have the time. So let's get started. I am going to tell you today about halos, and I have had a lot of questions about halos. These are synthetic halos. These are going to be machine made. They're available in several amazing colors. And what I like about halos is, in the event that you like to wear a lot of caps and so forth, you know, a lot of times the caps just don't fit that well because you're layering pieces. You're layering like a wig and a cap and a hat, and sometimes it just, you know, it's a little bulky. And it may not be an issue for everyone, but for me it's an issue because I kind of have a big head, you know, I really do. So I have to really think about how I'm going to layer things. And when I'm going to be out and about, I just want something fast, fun, and maybe a little different. So a halo, we designed these to wear. Let me show you. This is open on the top here. Again, this is a synthetic halo. It has a bang, a beautiful bang. It's machine made, elastic straps. It has a lot of stretch to it, so it's very comfortable. It does have adjustments. Again, this is a beautiful option in the event that you want to layer a cap, a beautiful hat. These go on just the way you would put on a wig. You're going to just place this in the front here, right at your hairline. You want to adjust this in the back, and this pretty much falls right below the occipital bone as well. Make sure that you check your little ear tabs here. Okay, so this is Halo Bob, and I want to share with you the length on this one. This is about 5.5 in the bang, low bangs here. About overall 14 inches. I'm sorry, this is the ROP Halo. So I've got 3 different beautiful options to show you. This is the ROP Halo. These are available in over 10 colors. And this is just really quick. Let me show you this. This is how cute this is. And it's nice and cool. You can kind of play around with the bangs here. And don't worry, another question I had was, are they as comfortable as wigs? They are. and you will not have a problem putting a mask on. I just wanted to show you this because a lot of the, I had several people that were worried about the fact that they weren't going to fit exactly like a wig does, and they actually do. They have been designed very comfortably. The foundation's nice. It's very, very similar to wearing a wig if you've never tried one on, so the comfort is there. So don't feel like the mask isn't going to go on correctly or you're going to have trouble with that, because you will not. Okay, so this is ROP Halo. Again, the bang is about 5 inches. And the beautiful thing about these is that you can detach the bang. Okay, I'm going to show you that again. I'm going to put the bang back on. It just Velcros on and off. This is just a nice quick summer look, or you know, it's like, I know I say this every week, but this is like clothing. You're not going to wear the same outfit to every event, so this is just a different option. It's nice and cool. This is a beautiful color. This is ginger brown, and I just wanted to again show you the different options that we have. Okay, so again, this is ROP Halo. I am going to show you next okay, so those of you that are just joining, again, Texas Wig Fairy showing you some different options for fun summertime hair, poolside hair. First look that we looked at was ROP Halo, and again, these are open on the top here. Next, I'm going to show you the Wavy Bob Halo. This is one of my favorites because you know me, I just love wave pattern. Let me put the bang back on here. This is also machine made. This is about 3.9 in the bang, the length of the bang. Again, this is open top here. This has a nice wave pattern to it. Again, this is machine made. Elastic bands, adjustments in the back here. And again, if you want to see other enhancements that we have, please go to reneparis.com. This is about 8.3 inches from the crown and 10.6 in the nape. .6 overall, I'm sorry. Okay, so I know I've shared this before, but if you get your piece and you want to just refine the curl a little bit, you can just use a little bit of the Revive to do that. You can also have these bangs trimmed a little bit. You know, you want to make it, you personalize it. And I'm just using a little bit of Revive, kind of scrunching the curl just to kind of enhance the curl there. Okay, so now I'm going to try this with, you know what, let's detach the bang here. Okay, so isn't this nice? See? Let me see if I can show you a little bit of that. This is just really nice option. And like I said, for those of you that like to wear hats, you're going to be out, you want to protect yourself from the sun, and you feel like it's a little too much to wear a full wig with a hat or a cap, baseball cap, a beautiful hat like this. This is such a beautiful option. Again, we are looking at the René Paris line. We're looking at Wavy Bob Halo. Again, this is machine made. This is about 10 inches overall, and these halos are synthetic and they are available in over 10 colors. So again, let me show you how the bang attaches again for those of you that have just joined. There's a little Velcro strip here. and you just attach it back. So you have the option to have a bang or no bang. Here's a different option. But see how nice and easy these just layer together without any kind of fuss at all. So like I said, this is Wavy Bob Halo from the René Paris line. Okay, so next I'm going to show you Long Halo. This is color Cappuccino. This is such a beautiful color. Okay, so this is, Long Halo. Let me make sure, this is about a 5-inch bang. I want to make sure I get the length right on this one, so bear with me just a minute. And I have to put my glasses on. This is about 10 inches. This is about an 8-inch bang. This is just such a beautiful color. Let me tell you. And again, this is detachable. Let's try a different baseball cap and see what look. Oh my goodness, I look younger. It's the color, guys. You guys need to just go ahead and order dozens of these. They are just so much fun. So what do you think? Which one do you like best? You like the Long Halo, the Wavy Bob Halo, or the ROP Halo? Come on, you guys, share with me. Okay, do you shampoo these halos? Yes, you do shampoo these halos. Can the halo be used with your own hair if you don't want? Yes, you can use this. Great. That's a great question, and yes, it can be used with your own halo. I mean your own hair. If you do have bio hair and you want to just pull it through, that's a great option as well. Great question, thank you for that. And I forgot, I didn't finish answering the other one. My backdrop was falling over here. I do want to answer that though. Can the halos be shampooed? Yes, they can. So basically you're going to shampoo these just the way you would a wig, one of your wigs. And I always like to say about every 15 wearings is about average. But again, it's kind of up to you. You only know how much product you use, if you perspire more, if it's really hot and you feel like you've sweated more during the week, if you're wearing it when you're working out. All those different factors kind of depend on how often you're going to shampoo these halos. But it is synthetic hair. The foundations are very similar to wigs. They're very, very comfortable. And thank you for those questions. The only thing is, again, with anything synthetic, no, you cannot use any kind of heat on these. This is synthetic. It's not heat friendly, so you don't want to use any kind of curling irons, blow dryers, anything like that. So again, we are looking at the Long Halo. I'm going to put the bang back on. And again, you can trim these bangs if you want. Again, it's a detachable bang, so you don't have to wear the bang with it. Look how great this is. I have to share something with you. I had someone tell me the other day, I was helping them and they came in and they said something like, "I like your costume today." And I said, "It's not a costume, this is how I dress." We're artistic people, we look fabulous all the time. But it was just a combination of the beautiful hair, oh my goodness, beautiful wigs, beautiful eyewear. And let me just tell you again, these are fabulous for summertime hair. Okay, so I'm going to show you really quickly the three different looks again. This is Long halo. Long halo. Detachable bang. These are great with any kind of cap, baseball cap. And see how quickly they just layer together. So let's go to Wavy Bob real quick. Nice little wave pattern to it. See, and no one would ever know that, you know, no one ever knows what you're wearing underneath here. This is just a fabulous look. Like I said, if you feel like your body temperature, if you feel like you need to control your body temperature, you want something a little more cool for the summertime, this is such a great option. Okay, so next I'm going to show you Wavy Bob in marble brown. Again, this is just right out of the box. Give it a little shake. This is another beautiful color, marble brown. Again, this is 3.9 in the bang, about 8.3 in the crown. So I'm going to try this on with a nice little, don't forget our Christine Headwear. I'm going to take this off here. This is a detachable bang. You don't have to choose. You can order all of them. Isn't this gorgeous? Okay, so this is just a nice, beautiful option in the event that you just want something that's a little bit different, a little bit cooler. And when I say, you know, I know, I'm with you. Like if you're past a certain age and you just feel like, you know, you're getting hot here and there. Not that I am, I'm just saying, you know, it does cross my mind. So again, this is Wavy Bob halo. Again, these are all synthetic halos. Beautiful, beautiful alternatives. And like I said, this is just a few of the enhancements that we have available at René Paris. Please make sure that you go to the René Paris website. It's beautiful. Make sure that you go visit the website, look at all the different options that we have. Please call your crown connection, as I call them, to make sure that you get your halo bobs ordered and you're prepared for the rest of the summer. Also, please make sure that you follow us at René Paris, at Texas Wig Fairy. Please go to our YouTube channel. Make sure that you subscribe. And I can't tell you how much valuable information that we already have in place as far as YouTube tutorials. Alexander does a wonderful job. We have such amazing artists with lots of valuable information. So like I said, take the time to visit our YouTube channel. Make sure that you subscribe so that you're always aware of up and coming. And like, I'm super excited about what we're doing. Lots of different guests that we have that will be coming, that will be visiting. So make sure that you stay tuned to all our different affairs, if you will. And super excited about all the different people that we're going to visit with, all the giveaways. And like I said, I really thank you for taking the time. I hope you have a good afternoon and see you soon, and have fun. Have fun if it's poolside today. Have fun whatever you're doing in the summer. See you soon. Bye.